More content, more money, more different kinds of content, even more money. At least that's the logic behind some of the money pumping back into fuboTV's stock. Bullish sentiment surrounding the sports streaming service is mounting because of its content diversification strategy, which aims to expand its content beyond sports. FUBO's already established itself as a sports-first live TV platform, offering features like 4K streaming, multi-view, and personalized game alerts. Now, FUBO is looking to keep enhancing its offerings and provide a more comprehensive entertainment experience for its subscribers. Since its services are available in North America and select international markets, with revenue primarily coming from subscriptions and a small portion generated from advertising, excitement was abound when FUBO recently announced a multi-year agreement to distribute 7 Weigel networks on its platform. The added networks include MeTV Tunes, MeTV, MeTV Plus, H&I, Heroes and Icons, Story Television, Movies, and Catchy Comedy, as well as WCIU, The U, which is Chicago's local independent entertainment station. Subscribers to fuboTV's Pro and Elite channel plans will have access to the 7 national Weigel networks, while Chicago DMA subscribers will also receive WCIU. This builds on fuboTV's base Pro plan that already includes over 100 channels covering sports, news, and entertainment, and is accessible on various devices. Todd Mathers, Executive Vice President of Content Strategy and Acquisition at fuboTV, expressed enthusiasm for the partnership, stating that it will bring subscribers even more entertainment programming, including beloved TV shows and movies. Jim Hall, Vice President of Business Development at Weigel Broadcasting Co., echoed this sentiment, noting that the partnership will benefit both companies and their viewers. Then, to get even more eyes watching, Newsmax announced a multi-year partnership agreement with FUBO. The agreement includes the continued distribution of Newsmax on FUBO's base Pro plan, as well as the launch of Newsmax en Español on FUBO's Latino plan and Latino Plus add-on package. Newsmax en Español is the first and only U.S.-based news channel to use advanced AI technology to dub its content into another language on a live basis. Newsmax is the nation's 4th highest-rated cable news network, according to Nielsen, and is carried on all major pay TV platforms. The partnership is an expansion of the company's existing relationship, with FUBO having carried Newsmax for many years. Newsmax's Senior Vice President of Distribution, Andy Biggers, praised FUBO as an outstanding partner that consistently demonstrates a commitment to diverse, independent voices through its programming lineup. FUBO's Executive Vice President of Content Strategy and Acquisition, Todd Mathers, highlighted the importance of live news access to consumers and expressed enthusiasm for extending the partnership with Newsmax to provide leading news coverage in both English and Spanish to FUBO subscribers. Newsmax's media properties reach over 40 million Americans regularly through various platforms, including Newsmax TV, the Newsmax app, Newsmax.com, and publications such as Newsmax Magazine, making it a good match to complement FUBO's originally sports-first live TV streaming platform.